Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you are getting this error. FACEIT and chat a BIOS update is required while launching FACEIT launcher. If you got it, just hit the OK to close it. That error message. After that, I will provide best prevent steps. That steps you will try to in this problem easily resolve. So we can go to remove from the background running FACEIT application. So you can go to the Windows search bar and type the task manager. Then we can click to open. After open it, then you can in this search bar and type FACEIT application. If it is running, just right click to remove from the task manager. After stopped, then you close it, the task manager, then you come to back, then you can go to through the next solution. The next solution, disable core isolation. So how to disable core isolation? I go to expose. Just you can go to the Windows search bar and type that system Windows security. Then you will click to open. Here we can go to click on the device security, then click on the core isolation details. Here if this memory integrated, turn it on, temporarily turn it off. After that you can go to click on the virus and threat protection. Again here you can go to click on the manage settings. Then Windows security can contribute these issues. Just if this real time protection is turn it on, temporarily turn it off. After that you come to back, then you can go to throw the next solution. After you relaunch the game, check whether it is working or not. Then you can go to through the next solution of check enable secure boot or not. So you can go to that Windows search bar and type that system information. You will click to open. Here we can go to check secure boot enable or not. So here secure boot status on. If it is turn off, just you can go to, I will add it that video how to enable the secure boot. That video link provided in this video description. Just you click to watch to enable. After that you can go to relaunch the your FACEIT launcher or application. After that your problem will be solved. Then if you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you, and don't forget subscribe. I think the methods definitely work for you, and don't forget subscribe. Thanks for watching.